Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create and use Microsoft Loop page templates. This feature is incredibly useful when you find yourself creating similar pages over and over again, as it allows you to save time by turning any existing page into a reusable template. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your workspaces and pages. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, click on the workspace or project where you want to create a template from. This could be any workspace you're currently working on, whether it's for a team project, personal tasks, or client work. Opening the right workspace ensures you're working with the correct pages. Once inside your workspace, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you can see all your pages listed. This is where all your Loop pages are organized and displayed. Now, hover your mouse over the Pages section. You'll notice that a 3 dots icon appears next to the pages. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, click on Save Pages as Template. This option is what transforms your existing page into a template that you can reuse later. It's perfect for pages with recurring structures like meeting notes, project briefs, or weekly reports. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Save as Template to proceed. The system will now process your page and convert it into a template format that you can access whenever you need it. This takes just a moment, so wait for the confirmation that your template has been saved successfully. Now that you've created your template, let's see how to use it. On the left side of your screen, click Create New. This is where you'll start building new pages within your workspace. From the options that appear, click Page. This opens up the page creation menu where you can either start from scratch or use an existing template. At the bottom of the page creation window, you'll see an option called Template Gallery. Click on it to access all your saved templates. This gallery houses all the templates you've created, making them easily accessible whenever you need them. In the template gallery, you can see your templates displayed. Browse through them and locate the one you just created or any other template you want to use. Once you've found the right template, click on it to preview its structure and content. Finally, click Use Template, and just like that, a new page will be created based on your template with all the formatting, sections, and layout already in place. You've now successfully created and used a Microsoft Loop page template, saving yourself valuable time on repetitive page creation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.